Hello friends, in last lecture we have to see the transformers and how to its working used. So today now we have start to new topic DC power sources. DC power sources. You know that about the sources, various kinds of sources. In electrical sources used for this any instrumentation and any type of generators. So today we are start the new topic DC power sources. Power sources can be used for electrical phenomena generating. So in these DC power sources, you know that the current will be changed from AC to DC sources. So we have to start the first about things about the I tell you about the DC sources. So in this I tell you first about the what is meant by DC sources. DC sources mean the power can be generated in the form of rate of energy in the for consumed in unit per time. The rate of power changing for consuming the unit time is referred to the DC power supply. So in this DC power supply we have to see that the rate of energy will be consumed in the form of watt. Rate of energy will be consumed in the form of watt. You know that watt is a unit. So in this unit is used for in the several sources of some batteries, thermocoupled electrical devices, and in this watt is introduced by the famous James Watt. Famous scientist James Watt introduced this watt unit for electrical sources generating. So these sources will be better for used in the form of batteries. First, batteries. Second will be used in the form of thermocoupled devices in metals. Third is another electrical source, photonic devices. There are a number of battery sources will be DC sources used in this phenomena. So next is energy in the form of batteries. Fifth is fuel cells. Another is a very important used for solar panels. Seven is dynamo. These are the various DC power sources used in generating of electrical phenomena. So now today we discussing about the various types of sources. Batteries is to store the electrical power by using these batteries. So thermocoupled metals in thermionic emissions, various types of metals performing the electrical power sources used these thermocoupled metals. Photonic devices, various type of photonic devices used this DC power supply. Then fourth one is energy form of batteries. Energy stored in the form of batteries, and battery backups used in various phenomena for electrical power supplies is used. Fifth one is fuel cells. Various types of fuels burn, and the burning of it produces the fuel cells form for power sources. And we get this burning of cells, we get the fuel cells. So next is the solar panels. Solar panels is calculating the solar energy from the sun. And the diagram is another type of DC power supply used in this battery power supply. So now next we tell you about the AC and DC sources. Next point is AC and DC sources. You know about the AC and DC sources. AC means alternating current and DC means direct current. So I tell you first about what is meant by AC source. In this AC source, the generator, in this AC source generators, in this AC source generator, we can convert the mechanical energy into electrical energy. Mechanical energy converted into electrical energy. Using this AC source, we can source generator, we can convert the electrical energy into mechanical. In the form of mechanical energy is converted into electrical form. So in this way, electrical power will be saved, and it is will be generated the electrical energy, and that converted into the mechanical form. So this there are these AC sources. There are two types of AC generators. First is induction generator. Second one is synchronous generator. Synchronous generator. There are these two types of AC generators. We can be oftenly used. In this, that work will be done in the form of electromagnetic induction. This work of AC generator is done in the form of electromagnetic generator. Electromagnetic form. So in this way we can be generate the AC to DC conversion. So secondly we have to see that DC generator. In this DC generator, I first tell you about the that device DC generator. The generator is a mechanical device, is converted into into the electrical power. Mechanical power is converted into electrical power. In this generator, we can be store the mechanical energy in the form of AC to DC conversion. So in this way can be performed, how can be AC current converted into DC current. It is work will be done in the conversion of sources, AC source to DC source generator. In this generator, the splitting ring is in the form of commutator that will be converted, the current change in current will be changes in the form of change in the directions of the current of AC to DC. That will be the rotation will be split in the form of that containing the current, maintaining the current, and that current will be half cycle produces. In the conversion of AC to DC generator, we can be used the conversion of AC to DC generators. So that can be maintaining the current in the form of positive half cycle. Positive half cycle will be produces for converting AC generator into DC generator. So now in this way we can prove that how can be AC and DC generators used in the electrical sources. In the performing the motors, various applications can be performed using this AC and DC generators. For example, in the form of mixer, grinder, we can be used the AC, often used AC generator. So now in this way we can prove that how can be DC power sources and the AC and DC generators can be used in performing the various electrical application. So thank you.